June 1846. A wagon train heads west. Its leader is George Donner.
Good luck. You're catching in a great gap.
But as the Donner Party approaches Utah, George Donner makes a fateful decision, leading a splinter group off from the main party. He's read one of the many new trail guidebooks, showing a shortcut that claims to shave 2 weeks off the journey time.
Hastings Cutoff is said to be a saving of 400 miles. We are informed it is a fine level road with plenty of water and grass.
But Donner's information is wrong. In fact, the shortcut adds 100 miles to the journey. High in the Sierra Nevada, the Donner Party enters the Truckee Pass. They're only 30 miles from the California plains. But supplies are dangerously low, and traveling through the mountains is taking its toll. A broken axle. The Donner Party stops to make repairs. But that night, 5 feet of snow falls. Soon, the drifts are 60 feet deep. The Donner Party will be stranded for 5 months. In just 3 weeks, they've eaten all their food. Then, they kill their pack animals. Next, they eat charred bones, twigs, bark, leaves, dirt, and worse.
Even the wind held its breath, as the suggestion was made that were one to die, the rest might live.
Cannibalism. Christmas Day, 1846. They eat their first human. Bodies are cut up, flesh labeled, so people don't eat their own kin. Four rescue parties bring out some survivors. George Donner's body is found, skull split open, his brain removed. The pass is renamed the Donner Pass, testament to the hardship of the pioneers' push west. Today, it's the Lincoln Highway. 4 million Americans drive this road, Route 30, every year.